What are those?
4.
4?
Yeah, 4.
What's 4?
My this.
I hear it. What is it? What's on your face? Should you wipe your face off?
Yeah.
What are those?
Muscles.
Are they big muscles?
It's a little muscle.
Oh, they're little muscles?
Yeah, it's a baby's muscles.
Oh, they're baby muscles?
Yeah.
Oh, what's all over your
Daddy
face?
muscles. Daddy's muscles.
Is there yogurt on your face?
Broke. How will we find?
Don't break your glasses.
No, I'll break my glasses. This is a tornado. I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Are you done, Kylie?
No, almost there.
Almost?
My glasses.
Oh, okay.
I'm done. You're done?
You're done, Ray Ray?
You're done.
You're done.
Done.
Done, that's right.
Hello.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Boo. What are you doing?
Hello.
Careful. Are you done eating, Kylie?
I'm done.
Kylie, are you done eating?
No. What's that? Oh no. Oh, bear. I fixed it. Oh, bear together.
You fixed it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Can I wipe your hands and face and we can go play?
I'll go play. I'll go put outside.
No, it's too cold outside now.
It's so warm. It's too dark.
Yeah, it's getting dark too. Should we go play with your toys?
Where's the tower?
You want to build a tower?
Yeah.
Me too.
Outside.
You want to go build a tower?
It's outside.
How big are we going to build it?
A big tower.
A big tower?
Yeah.
Or how about a little tower?
Little tower.
A little tower. Just this big?
This
How big do you want to make it?
smaller.
Smaller
Yeah.
or bigger?
Bigger.
Bigger? How big?
Baby one.
A baby one?
Yeah.
Do you want to build a baby one and a mommy one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the mommy one.
And that one's going to be really tall?
It will go a little big and tall.
Whoa!
That's close.
That was so close. Cover your mouth when you cough.
Mommy.
Are you done?
Mommy, Mama.
You ready to go build a tower?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Meow.
Meow. Do you like your necklace? Do you like it?
Meow. Meow.
Yep, you have one too, Ray Ray.
Meow.
Can you say thank you for my presents?
Thank you for my presents.
You too. Say thank you for my presents.
Thanks for my presents.
Tell her. Say thank you for my presents.
Take my presents.
Good job.
Me too, me too.
You too?
Yeah.
Did you have a really happy birthday? Yeah. Did you have lots of fun? What was your favorite part? What was the favorite part of your birthday?
Choice side.
What was your favorite part, Raylan?
Side.
The slides.
Yes.
Yeah.
Side.
Did you like all your presents? Did you like all your presents? Whoa, careful. How about you drink that? Thank you.